This is 2025 MSI Aegis. It's a good basic gaming desktop. It came with i5 14th Gen RTX 5060. This is 2025 video card. 1TB SSD, 16GB DDR5, mouse, keyboard, Windows 11 Home, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, black color. And today we're going to see if we can upgrade this with a 5070 and 32GB of RAM. I have here a Gigabyte 5070 and G.Skill Rip Jaws 2 sticks of 16. It came with a keyboard and mouse, some manual papers, power cord, 2 SATA cables. Packaging looks good, looks tight. This is the computer. This thing fell off a little bit. Here we get some LED button, USB-C, USB-A, headphones, power, reset. Here we have glass. Here's protection for the video card. 3 fans on the front, MSI logo. This is the back. We have another fan over here. Use GPU port. Obviously, you'll need to use one of these. Here we have 6 more USB-A, RJ45. This is ancient stuff. Another ancient stuff. It's like old stuff for video. It's like 30 years old or something. I don't know. Headphone inputs. Original video card comes with 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. 2 antennas for wireless were also here in the back. So you connect them here. Tells you to remove the foam. Warning, hazard, dangerous. Well, it's okay. Goes like this, opens like that. Here we see this foam. Sometimes it's hard to pull it out. In this case, it's easy. The video card is small. This is a small size. We get power here. This is some power. 8-pin connector. We get another one here. CPU cooler. Looks okay, kind of like stock cooler. And we get 1 stick of 16GB of RAM. It's not 2 sticks, it's 1 stick. So let's try to take it out. Everything is cramped so bad together. I believe I cannot even pull it out unless I remove the video card. Yeah, that's the case here. Here we have the SSD, and Wi-Fi card is over there. Okay. Here we have another PCI slot that's unusable. It's not the biggest case, but most importantly, not the biggest motherboard. I think you can screw in bigger ones, so there are screws for something bigger. This is probably small motherboard. Small is bad, big is good. I do not see a second SSD slot, so I believe it's just one, sadly. And here we get 4 SATA connectors if you ever want to connect a hard drive. Maybe SATA SSD. Actually, you'll probably have to use SATA SSD if you want second storage. We have 2 screws on the way. Then we need to press here. A little bit uncomfortable. If you don't press, you break. Boom, we took it out. So light for 5060. MSI. GeForce. Now we have it out, so now we can easily upgrade RAM. I'm gonna take out this 16. Wow, I can't take it out. It looks stuck. And RAM is falling apart. It may seem weird, but it actually only closes on one side. And then usually it's on both sides. I hope this thing will not block the video card, and I think it will. So we'll be limited up until here. We're gonna switch this team group with 2 Rip Jaws. I just want to keep them the same RAM, not install one stick, but just switch to two same ones. I made sure it goes correct way, so we have this divider here. Obviously installing the first one that's closer to CPU. Boom, clicks. A little bit hard with one hand, but it's okay. And I'm gonna have another G-Skill. Should go the same way, so we open this one again and put it in. We got it into place and then clicks. It's in, everything good. Now we have 32 gig of RAM, so that was the easiest part. Now let's see if we can fit 5070 in there. 5070 comes with this 12-pin. That's definitely like twice bigger. If we compare them, this one is actually taller, this one is longer and thicker. This thing is definitely blocking the video card, which means all the space has to be wasted. You can't upgrade for pretty much anything better, to be honest with you, because you're limited to this length video card. Maybe 4070, I might have seen 4070 that's short enough. One fan 4070, I don't know. Basically just keep this 5060 and that's it. You can't upgrade the video card. Anything that's noticeably better will be noticeably longer. And why they put this thing in here, this is crazy. And you know, they could have just put it just a little bit further, where basically we need, like, as you can see, we need like less than half an inch or so. It has a 650 watt power supply, but it has this thing and you cannot put anything better. So for example, I've seen HP Omen with very similar specs that come with 400 power supply, right? Which is kind of just enough. This one has power supply that's 650 watt, which is definitely good for this 5070. But they made this thing blocking it, and we're done. You can only upgrade RAM here. No second SSD slot. I mean, you can switch this one to another one, but that's pretty much it. My advice remains the same. If you're looking for something upgradable, always assemble your own computer, if you know how. Otherwise, pretty much all pre-builds I've seen, they're all so limited. Like this one, small video card, this thin block, and you cannot put another one of these. Only one M2 slot, horrible. This is so cramped together, like, you know, small motherboard. You know, even with the power supply, that's definitely decent for this system.